pork belly lollipops on the Kamado Joe. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Stick around, show you how to make it. Another fun appetizer idea to get you going. It's the holiday season here at Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we're making something super fun. We're taking pork belly and we're gonna make pork belly lollipops. It's gonna be super fun. It's festive. Bring it to your next Christmas party, and I promise you people will not be disappointed. So just grab yourself a pork belly from your grocery store. We're gonna just slice this into kind of rectangle lollipops against the grain. And you know, maybe about 1 inch or so. And then this will be considered like a lollipop. And so we're gonna make sure we cut through all that. It's a little chilly out here. And then what we do is we take these little wooden skewers and I let these sit in some water for a few hours. And then we're gonna pull this through here, just like this. And this will be kind of our lollipop, if you will. So we're gonna try to see if we can get it all the way through. And then we'll just keep on going until we get all of these ready to go. And then I'll bring you back when these are all sliced up and we'll season it, get it on the Kamado Joe.
Scott, do you lollipop often?
I don't lollipop, but when I do it here at Bartlow's Barbecue. You know, and then while we're getting these other ones, we'll show you how we season these guys. You don't even have to use a binder, but if you want, you can. Some mustard there. You're using sweet red dirt today because it has a great color and flavor on chicken and pork. It's phenomenal. So we got, go high, get that seasoning all over the pork belly. This is going to be delicious. All right, so we got a few of these ready to go. Finish these off and put these on the grill. I'll bring you over to the grill real quick. So we set up the Kamado Joe at 275. You can even go up to 300. We did lump charcoal. We did our heat deflectors. Both of them are on. So indirect cooking, if you're new to barbecue and Kamado cooking, throw some charcoal on there. You could throw a wood chunk like post oak, whatever favorite wood chunk flavor you like. Set it to 275 and just throw these on here directly. We're gonna let them smoke for about 2.5 hours. And then hopefully the last hour, so this might be a 3 to 4 hour cook. That last hour we'll baste it in barbecue sauce. And it's gonna be just this beautiful marbling and beautiful shiny pork belly lollipops. That's a mouthful. We'll see you back when we're done. Just feels like the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Felt the right thing. I was just feeling it. I was just feeling
great.
it. I don't.
It was great. Right now, Scott.
Okay, so I was just checking this. I was curious. It's smelling beautiful. We're probably an hour into this, and I'm just gonna flip these, and you can see that we're starting to get some good color on some of these. Look at that. Because it's on the grill grates, you're gonna get some good grill marks here. I can already tell it's starting to render. Look at that beautiful crust that's forming. Oh my gosh, guys, this is looking awesome. You wanna get this to 200 degrees most likely before we start saucing this bad boy up, and then let it get that caramelization for that last 20 minutes or so. Or if you want that last hour, you could sauce it and do a whole hour of let it caramelize. We'll just see how we're feeling. But it's looking good. We'll see you back when it's time to sauce these bad boys up. All right, we're just doing a little checkaroo. A checkaroo. All right, we're at 165 in one parts, 175 in some parts, 170, 190 in some over here. Oh, this one's definitely getting going. Guys, this one here, I'm gonna say another 45 minutes to an hour and we are gonna be done. And I don't mind just continuing to flip these bad boys. Looking good. It's sauce time. These things are probe tender, 200, 202 in some. They are looking incredible. Look at that caramelization. Looking incredible. So what we're gonna do is bring these over to this pan. We are going to sauce these bad boys one by one back on the grill for another 20 minutes or so. And then we will be ready to go. All right, friends, so now that these are probe tender, we are going to take this sauce. This is my cherry sauce. I put it in a mason jar. We're gonna just do, it's gonna get a little spillage here, so I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm expecting that, so I'm okay with getting a little crazy now. Look at that. We're just going in. Look.
Oh my gosh.
And I knew it was gonna do that. And then we'll just come right back out. Oh my gosh. Now, if this is more of a Kansas City sauce, we could definitely have thinned this out if we wanted to. But we're gonna put this here so I don't dirty up the grill grates. Dude, this is gonna be so good. We're gonna just do all this way. If you prefer, you can just baste it this way as well. And if you want a lighter layer, you could totally do that as well. So I wanted to show you both options. But this is fun. This is kind of one of those, like if you're grilling with a crowd, it's kind of fun to do that way as well. So we'll put these back on the grill. These will be ready to be eaten here in a moment. About 20, 30 minutes, and we're done. We got that sauce. It's caramelized. We're gonna pull these off here in a moment, let them just kind of sit out for a second, do a little final taste test. We'll be ready to go. They're done. They're sauced. They're ready to be eaten. Taste test time. Let's go. Oh my gosh. All right, Caleb, are you excited about this?
Oh, I'm so excited. I love pork belly.
Again, this is another holiday treat. It's something different. You definitely could cube these up and do more pork belly traditional burn-ins. But the pork belly lollipop, guys. This is what we're doing. All right, it's time to taste test time. All right, you want to choose one, Caleb?
Oh yeah, sure.
I mean, your hands, you don't have gloves. What do you think?
Why don't you just cut me off a piece of that one?
All right, we're gonna, oh yeah. There we go, here we go. Here's a piece. It's sauced, it's ready to go.
Whoa.
All right, I'm gonna eat mine off the lollipop. Oh my God. Man.
That's so tender.
Yep. Because of my cherry sauce, this is definitely a cherry flavored lollipop, but who doesn't love cherry lollipops? Any constructive feedback, Caleb? What do you think? Anything where you say this is a winner?
I love the cut. Like it's not too thick. I was worried that it might be hard to chew.
Yep.
But the cut is great. The caramelization, like saucing it, made
Yep.
a big difference. Like letting it wait in the
Dirty.
grill. Oh yeah. Like letting that sauce tack up a
Yeah.
little bit. Oh, it's
Yeah.
so good.
Super happy. One thing you can do, if you don't want to keep it on the lollipop, pull them off, cube them up, put them on a plate or your platter, cutting board, and you can still have your pork belly burnt ends just that way. Put in the comments, let us know what you thought of this pork belly lollipop recipe. Super fun, it's been pretty popular online. I thought I need to give it a shot. Use my seasoning, sweet red dirt, our Heartland hickory. Check out our website, bartlowsbarbecue.com, for those ingredients and seasonings and sauce if that's something you're interested in. And let us know what you thought of this cook, what part you would change or what you liked the most. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.